I would like to talk about football. Or actually some resemblance between football and corporate world. While watching football, I've noticed that those 22 men, or actually 11 men plus their coach, they are creating a great team that brings me a lot of resemblance on the structure and on how corporate world and companies are created. Now, here we go to the defense line. People, you might think in the moment that we actually don't need them. The game is about scoring, not about defending. Okay, it depends with whom you're playing. Sometimes the defense is actually the main part. Or especially when you score something big, you still have to have this compliance, legal department and risk management to hold you back. They will be very happy in the end to help you. The moment when the client will start questioning your work and whether it is compliant with everything around, whether we didn't do something legally wrong. Next time, when you will watch a football game and you will see this line of defense, those brave guys standing there and stopping the ball as much as they can, preferably without a fall. Think about those departments that you don't see and don't actually get fond of in the first place. They are there to help you and to help the company have everything done clear and compliant. We're in the middle. Okay, so that part of the team is all the back office. All the accountants, corporate assistants, all the people who are writing, scribbling the documents, making it happen and to be signed and making all the machine in the company run. Look at them. They are there to pass on the ball from one place to another, from one place to another, so it can end up with those guys who will reach the gate and will score. You're there to do this back office work. You are in the middle. You are a connection of what is happening in the company, what are the products, what are the services you sell, and then the final sale and the final client contact. You're there in the middle. You're there to actually deliver everything that company agreed to deliver. You're amazing. You're a part of the team of 11 plus the coach. And finally we are on the attack. Those guys are the sales department. Oh, I know people who hate sale and who actually are hiding anywhere they can if the salespeople are coming around. Because they just don't want to buy. But you see how important they are? They try to make a sale, to sell the product of your company, to sell the service, until they will score at least one goal. You don't need to win 7-2, like in some games of football in the past. You just need at least that one client signing out the contract so middle office could work. Next time, when you will watch football, think about those things that I said. Look at them as people at your corporate world, as people in your company. Who are they? What are they doing? And be a coach. Appreciate all of them, no matter what.